Graded Readings in Gregg Shorthand by Alice Margaret Hunter. Shorthand Plates written by Georgie Gregg. First lesson. Get ready. Take a good aim. Aim at the mark. The target will make a good mark. Ned can hit it. Clara will need a hat. Anna can make a neat hat. Clara can trim the hat. Anna will make a red hat. Clara will trim the red hat in green. The train hit a lamp. It wrecked the train. A wreck will make the train late. Can the deacon take the late train? Harry had a kit. He will need a helmet. Nellie can knit the helmet. Nellie can knit in the dark. Harry will take the gray helmet Nellie made. Harry will get a well-made helmet. The mill will not go. It will need more grain. Ray can get the grain. He will take it in the rig. Ray will get ready in an hour. Henry hid in the hay. The hen laid an egg in the hay. Henry ate the egg. The cattle will eat the hay. Henry will treat the cattle well. Hatred may make the enemy greedy. He may make an attack. He may gain the hill. The dark may aid him. He will not make a treaty. Matt read the tale in the arena. The tale made him green. The good deacon would not read the tale. Matt will rail at the good deacon. The league had a gala day at Gary in May. Henry Lane will go in a rig. Mary Dean will go in the train. Mary Dean can get ready in an hour. Henry will take a camera. He can get a hack at the gate. The team may kick. Henry will meet Mary at the train in Gary. A rainy day will make the game late. Henry cannot take the camera in the arena. He will get in at the gate. Dan will take the ticket. A Greek will read a drama in the arena. Deacon Gray will hear it read. The Greek will read the tale well. It will make a hit.